Tired of fumbling for your transit card every morning? Today, we're going to ditch the plastic and show you how to add your transit card to Samsung Wallet for seamless, tap-on-go payments. First, open the Samsung Wallet app on your phone and look for the plus sign, usually located at the top right corner, or the Add button at the bottom. Tap on it. You'll see a few options here. Select Transit Card from the list. Now, you'll see a list of available transit agencies. Scroll through the list and select the transit agency that issued your card. If your agency isn't listed, it might not be supported yet. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your transit card number. Carefully type the card number as it appears on your physical transit card. Make sure you double-check it for accuracy. You'll then be presented with the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully, and if you agree, tap Agree or Accept. The app will now add your transit card. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once added, you'll see your transit card displayed in your Samsung Wallet. You might be asked to set it as your default transit card. Now, you can simply tap your phone on the transit reader to pay for your ride. No more digging for cards. You can also view your transaction history within the app to keep track of your spending. That's it. You've successfully added your transit card to Samsung Wallet. Enjoy the convenience of digital payments on your daily commute. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.